Hello friends, this is Kunal, the photography blogger, and today I'm going to talk about how you can export multiple raw images to JPEG format using Adobe Lightroom software. So let's get started with it. As you can see, I have the library panel opened on the Lightroom software. So what I'll do is I'll select multiple images. Let's say I select these 6 images. So as you can see, the format over here, as you can see when I mouse over on the image, it shows the format .cr2, which is the raw format clicked using Canon 5D Mark III. So in order to export these raw images to JPEG, what I have to do is I right click on the image, I mouse over to export, and then again I click on the export option. So as you can see, this new panel opens when I click on the export. So over here, there's this option where I can select if whether I want this image to be saved to the same folder or to a different folder. For now, let's keep it to the original folder. I'll just scroll down. Over here under file settings, it shows image format. So it's up to me which format I want the image to be to export. So I'll select the JPEG format and the quality, make sure that it's at 100%. And in order to export all those raw images in JPEG, I just made sure that the format is JPEG and the quality is at 100%. Once I'm done with it, I'll click on export. So as you can see over here, the images are getting processed. Now as you can see, all the 6 images have been exported, and I'll just click on one image and show you the format. As you can see, it shows JPEG format and the dimensions would be the same, the pixels would be the same. It's just that the format has been converted from RAW to JPEG. So if you prefer clicking on RAW format or RAW plus JPEG and you want to convert those raw images, multiple raw images into JPEG, so what you can do is you can simply as in bring all the images in the Lightroom library, be it 100 or 200 images, select all those images and click on export, select the JPEG format and just click on export, and that's it. All your raw images would be converted to JPEG. So that's it. Hope you liked the video. If you did, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.